Today we are going to learn how to change the pilot plunger or back cover if there is a leakage. Before changing the pilot, we will first understand the potential reasons for failure. Inspect the sealed pilot O-ring and plunger O-ring for any damage. This is a coil nut. Remove it by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction. Once done, now, remove the coil carefully. Now you can see this is the front pilot side and the rear side or spring side. Begin by conducting a leakage test on the valve. Apply air pressure to the input port while blocking the output port of the valve. Verify whether the manual override function is operational or not. Identify potential causes of failure, such as damage or jamming of the manual override mechanism. Apply thick soap solution to the plunger side. If bubbles appear, it indicates leakage from the pilot seal. Repeat the soap application process on the back cover side. If any bubbles come, it means there's leakage from the back side also. Now depressurize the system before proceeding with further component replacement. Remove the air pressure. Now use a screwdriver to remove the pilot side and rear side by loosening the screws. Thoroughly clean any foreign particles and dust after removing the components. Apply grease to both sides of the valve for smooth operation. This is the pilot with plunger assembly. During reassembly, ensure proper alignment of the pilot O-ring with its corresponding hole. Assemble the pilot with the plunger and securely tighten the screws. Next, reassemble the back cover by ensuring the spring is correctly seated at the back. Align the seal properly and secure the back cover in place using the screws provided. Next, apply input pressure to check functionality. Check whether the manual overrides for proper operation. Again, check for any leakage in the valve with soap solution. Make sure no bubbles are coming. Repeat the same and check for bubbles on the back cover. Now, attach the coil to the valve and ensure it's properly secured with the coil nut. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure your valves are now ready to be used. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333-33 or visit our website www.spacpneumatic.com for more information.